Welcome to Raigurkul. I'm Deepak Rai, and today's fast-paced world of project management, seamless integrations, and collaborations are essentials. Meet Visor, your all-in-one solutions for transforming your Jira data into vibrant, connected spreadsheets and dynamic Gantt charts. Visor is a collaboration app for project managers and teams that want to seamlessly share accurate Jira data. Visor's bi-directional Jira integrations make it easy to create Gantt charts, roadmaps, and spreadsheets that you can share with anyone, even stakeholders or clients that don't have access to your Jira instance. Notable features include bi-directional integrations, color-coded visualizations tools, and streamlined progress updates. So in this video, we'll see transform your raw Jira data into colorful spreadsheets and Gantt charts. Because Visor is simple to use, you can use it without any hurdles. This makes your life easy. So to install this, navigate into the app sections and from there, search Visor Spreadsheets and Gantt chart for Jira with Excel export. Other than this, you can also navigate into the Visor platform. From there, try to connect with your Jira instance. Try Visor today. Visor is free to try and you only have to pay for the more premium feature. Once you will create your account, connect with your Jira instance. Whenever you will try to connect with your Jira instance after login, you will be able to ask how to connect with the application name. Once you will select the application name, you have to select your instance, and once you will add the instance, it will take very small amount of time to get your instance detail that will get populated with your project name. And once you will select the project name, this will be integrated successfully with all your data added into their board. This is very quick enough where you can integrate your Jira instance within Visor, and post that you can work effectively. So here you can see you have to select your project name. Once you add the project name, that project data is available. For free versions, you will get two worksheets to be worked together, but when you will have the license versions, you can use as much as possible. Here, either you can use project name or with the custom JQL query, you can opt all those issues whichever you wanted to add within spreadsheets. And this is a issue hierarchy. If you want to maintain nesting from Jira or ignore nesting from Jira, both the options are available. Whichever you want, you can select and proceed it further. Now, once you'll click on import Jira issues, it will quickly import all your informations which is present in Jira instance, and that will get onboarded into your Visor account or Visor spreadsheet. Let's talk about how we can configure fields or worksheets or new workbook within Visor. Once you will successfully integrate your Jira instance, simply click on new workbook, and post that it will ask you to include your Jira data. Either you can simply import the data while selecting project name, or you can also enter your custom JQL query, that's Jira query language. Once you'll add the Jira JQL, you can also preview your JQL content. As of now, I'm proceeding further with this data. Once you'll select the projects, you will get an options to include all issue types, or even you can filter it out. If you want to just select for epic or bug or even user story, you can also include or exclude it. Whenever you check, the items will be added, and uncheck will remove the specific content from this board. Here we are targeting to even have the specific status as well, to do, in progress, and done, which also we can filter it out. In beginning of the times you can add, or even you can add the filter based on your time frame or from which time to time you want it to be added. Click on continue, and this will take few seconds to add all your informations within the workbook. Here these are the issue types available. Even after selecting, if you want to modify the filter, simply click on edit filter, and again you'll get same options where you can add and remove any fields whichever is not needed for this task. I'm proceeding further with the all informations, and post that I'll click on continue, and then I will get issue hierarchy, where either I want to maintain nesting from Jira or ignore nesting from Jira. So as of now, I'm proceeding further with this one and click on import Jira issues. Click on continue, and this will load all the informations on the board where you can add all custom fields would you like to add. Here I wanted to add notes, executing stages, impact area, label of effort, or maybe I will fields like this: start date, due date, impact severity. That's it. So based on your selections, all the informations are available here. Let's try to understand which all operations we can perform or which all features we have under Visor. As of now, we have not added the worksheet name. Let's consider this my important projects of Amazon. I wanted to just add Amazon as my project name, and this will save my workbook name with my project name. Now, let's understand what all challenges we'll face for traditional tools. Are you tired of complex Gantt chart and roadmap tools that demand extensive training? Say goodbye to the struggle and welcome simplicity with Visor. Transform your Jira data into dynamic Gantt charts and timeline charts, whether it's a roadmap for stakeholders, a high-level Gantt for your CEO, or timeline chart for your agile teams. Visor has you covered. Here you can see its data is available in table view, Gantt view, and timeline view. All options are available. Based on your selections, you will get all those informations highlighted. I'm just selecting start and end date or due date, continue, and you will get all those informations highlighted on specific timeline like weekdays, Mondays, and included Monday to Friday and finish setups. You will see all those informations are available where the bar has been generated in Gantt view. Similarly, we can also see timeline view. As of now, I'm going ahead with assigning and start date and finally due dates. Continue, and this will be having all informations listed here. So this is how you can see all those informations are listed either in table view, Gantt view, and timeline view. Very important feature of Visor is two-way smart syncing. Right now I'm on table view. Let's see, I wanted to update these three fields with their assignee. If you want, I will show you these fields are not assigned at all on Jira. Let me show you here in backlog sections. I wanted to show you with ID, user story 10, DM31, DM25, and DM7. Or maybe we can add DM24. Let's consider DM31 and DM24. In Visor, DM31, this one is not assigned. Let me assign it. Someone here I assigned it, and whenever we assign within the Visor, you can see this pop-up will appear. We have updated into Visor. It's not at all synced in Jira. DM31 is done. I wanted to search for DM25. Here I wanted to add for 25 as well. I updated this. If I want to sync both the informations in the Jira, simply click on sync, and this will take few seconds to update the fields in Jira as well. Without moving from this board, we can sync all those informations from Visor to Jira, and same informations will get updated here as well. In this case, you can see this assigned to my name, and similarly, you can see for 25th as well. Both are assigned. Let's consider I wanted to update the status of DM18 from to do in progress or QA. Now this moved into QA. Let me refresh it and then navigate it to Visor. Again, I wanted to sync it, and once the syncing is done, you will see the status will get updated. Here DM18. Now you can see this got updated with the status QA. This is called as two-way syncing method. From wherever we will update this information, so you will get to see populated either in Visor or Jira, which is a very important feature of Visor. Visor respects app data structure with two-way smart syncing, and integrations will be more secure. Jira nesting, dropdowns, and other details seamlessly translate into Visor, ensuring your data functions just as you intended. Importing data from Jira in just a few clicks. Visor transforms your raw data into colorful, customizable spreadsheets. Next feature is connected spreadsheets, which is collaborate effortlessly with connected spreadsheets, share and visualize your data structure supporting over 75 Jira fields data types. Here, if you want to share with any of your team members, this information will getting shared with your external team members. If that member is not at all having a license of Jira, then also they will be able to see the data available within Jira instance. I wanted to share this information on anyone email ID. So let me add here email ID of that user. Click on shares and the email will be triggered successfully, where you can mark that user with security label. So let's consider you wanted to provide the permissions of view. You can give the permissions as view, commenter, editor, or owner also possible. This is giving a security, enhanced security label where you can protect your data even while sharing this. Let's navigate it to the email sections, and here you can see this project will be shared with this user, and whenever that user will click on view, they will be able to see this informations. Login into company name, so I'm giving this and enter the code below. Email here. This is a code. This is the label of security provided by Visor, where we can integrate all those informations, and once the user will enter all informations, then only he or she will be able to enter it. I'm just trying to add with the personal PMO and create a free workbook. Here, I don't want to create the workbook. I will be able to see the screen, and once we will have this data available, we can see all those data which is present in my personal instance that is also getting integrated with my Atlassian account. That's the level of security we can see or we can expect from the Visor. Visor ensures seamless collaborations with unlimited view-only access. Give others edit or comment access with Visor Pro Plan, and protects your sensitive data with field label security. As of now, we can see this user got the access of view, so he won't be able to modify it from anywhere. You can see all those fields are locked. He won't be able to change any of the informations. Let's consider I am upgrading this user's permissions to comment, so that person will be able to comment it. Even if I wanted to make that user as the owner of that file, we can be able to do it. And once the work is done, if I wanted to remove that user, simply click on remove and that user will be removed successfully from the project. Let me try it out, and here once you can see without even refreshing that user access got revoked. That's very quick enough, and security measures are following all those informations within the Visor. Next feature is imagine your single source of truth with the customer view, custom views for collaborations. Reimagine your single source of truth with custom views. Wise allows you to turn project data into personalized views using intuitive formatting, filtering, and custom fields. Whenever you want to click a personal views, you can simply click on this and create a new workbook, and that will be available only for you. That informations you can store it for your personal, where you can apply all those informations among yourself. You can add filter, sorting, insert one left, insert right, and that's the protected fields which you can add it. In terms of formatting, here you can manage fields, where even remove the fields formatting from the grid like this. If you want to remove any of this field, just disable it and that field will be removed from the grid. Even you can manage the fields if you want to manage a color codes or this color codes or change the color codes, add another choices. That is also possible to do it. At any point of time you want to remove any of this informations, that will be removed successfully. Now, in terms of syncing also, if you want to sync on field level, that is also possible. Let's consider I wanted to update this field, and from here I wanted to sync this just specific field, sync Jira field in this row. That also doable. Even you can revert to last value from Jira. That is also possible. In terms of formatting, here, if you want to modify any of those fields or create a custom fields, that is also possible, where you can change the color codes and then you can save it successfully, which will gives the color coded view of your informations, and you can modify these color codes based on your requirement. So here I wanted to just modify this to this one, and that's done. Similarly, you can also do the color codes with the other fields as well. Visor make it easy for stakeholders to understand your project data at a glance, selects colors with conditional formatting, and offer the right level of detail with powerful filtering options. Ditch the complexity of traditional tools. With Visor, you can get started right away thanks to an intuitive interface and easy onboarding, all with the power of drag and drop simplicity. In terms of import and export option is also available. If you want to import or export view, either you can select image, JPG, PNG, and Adobe, that is in the PDF format. So I will show you these two formats are much quicker. So here, if you want to import, see the preview as a viewer, that is also possible to do it. Otherwise, you can simply click on export anyway, and this file will be downloaded successfully, which you can see all those informations are listed in the Excel. Similar way, you can also do it with JPG, PNG, and PDF formats. Let's consider downloading in PDF format, and here you also get all those informations that are available in the PDF format as well, which is very quick enough, where you can see all the informations are downloaded successfully. In terms of import records, if you want to import from Excel, Google Sheets, or Salesforce, you can also do it with the Jira connections as of now, and any other tools like Salesforce and HubSpot. You can also import the data from any tool to Visor tool. If you want to clear the workbook or rename workbook, that is also available, which is very quicker enough, much more simpler way, where we can use Visor for our complete data dashboards. This tool is giving us the flexibility to import the data as well as show in very visual way, where we can display the data in visual way. This tool is easier to show any informations in the presentation mode. Even with the high level presentations, we can create it for business people. There's no any third party tools involved when we are using this tool. Because of the simplicity of use or easy to use this tool, everyone will like this. In terms of view, we can also expand or collapse label even whenever you want to do. If you want to hide any columns or informations, you can quickly do it. Help option is also available, which you can utilize it for your long go. In terms of adding insert a left or right column, that is also doable. Move to primary label, that is also possible to perform within this tool. If you want to add any new fields, you can also add the new field or custom fields from here, which is very quicker enough. Display as bar, or we can also set as a milestone. Based on your requirements, we can set it bar or milestone. If you want to add a new workbook, you can simply either click on this and you can add it very quickly. Overall, this tool provides stakeholders with the big picture using GQL importing and export your workbook in various formats like CSV, JPG, PNG, or PDF. You can even embed your spreadsheets and Gantt charts into pages on wikis. That's overall feature of Visor, which we can utilize within a Jira instance to empower your projects with Visor, where collaborations meet simplicity and your data becomes a powerful asset. Sign up today and revolutionize your project management experience. Visor unleashing the power of two-way smart syncing in Jira. Transform your projects, transform your success. If you are a project manager looking to streamline your tasks, optimize configurations, and manage plans with ease, give Visor a try. Click the link in the descriptions to explore the power of Visor for Jira. If you found this video helpful or have any thoughts to share, don't forget to comment below. Your feedback is invaluable, and of course, for more insightful contents on Jira integrations with Visor, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Thanks for watching and happy planning.